So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Remember that one time we got to hang out with Bowie the rainbow and learn about rain? Yeah, that was so much fun. Why don't you and I draw Bowie together? All right, I'm gonna take black and draw some lines like this to make clouds. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And we need two big arches like that. Whoa! Yeah! There we go. And now, two circles for his eyes. There we go. And a big smile because he is nice and happy. There we go. We can't forget about his eyebrows up there. And then his arms. Whoa! Yeah! And his hands right up there. Whoa! Whoa, Bowie was so fun, wasn't he? Whoa! I sure do love drawing. And Bowie, you're fun too. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye, Bowie. Bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!